Hello, everyone.
Here is YiLu Proxy's channel.
The video shows how to create multiple MetaMask wallets by using YiLu Proxy and Lalicat browser.
Firstly, set YiLu Proxy settings as shown video. Don't forget to save. Then connect an IP to local port 1080. Right-click an IP and connect or directly double-click. You can see the local port IP on the top left. Then multi-port forward. Right-click an IP and select a proxy port. You can see these proxy ports information in the port forward list. Next, using rotating IPs. Select a country, state, city, and the number of refreshing IPs. Then refresh. Right-click an IP and select a proxy port. You can also right-click an IP and connect to local port. Check proxy ports information again. Then create multiple virtual browsers in Lalicat browser. Fill in profile name, select a operating system, browser version 104, user agent. Then select SOCKS5 proxy. IP address 127.0.0.1 and port 1080. Then check the proxy network. Lalicat has the MetaMask extension, so we just need to select it to install in the virtual browser. Then save the profile. Then create 3 profiles in batches using the same steps. You can turn on the MetaMask extension in the plugin center for global setting. So when you create a new browser profiles, it will install MetaMask defaultly. We can also copy the rotating IP information by right-clicking an IP and copying the IP. Then paste IP information. You can see the profile uses the global settings. Then modify the proxy ports of the browser profiles just created in batches, such as 5501, 5500, and 2. Then run these profiles. Click Create a Wallet. Create password. Don't forget to save the secret recovery phrase. Then sort the phrases in order. OK. The MetaMask wallet is created. Then using the same steps to create other wallets. Let's take a quick look. The video about how to create multiple MetaMask wallets is over. Thank you for watching and subscribing.